Milk frother. Miroco stainless steel milk steamer with hot and cold milk functionality. Automatic foam maker for coffee, hot chocolates, latte, cappuccino. Electric milk warmer. Silent operation. 120 volts. Café Quality at home. Luxurious lattes, cappuccinos, coffee, hot chocolates, macchiatos and flat whites at the push of a button. Effortlessly hot, warm or cold milk with Miroco milk frother. Recommend to use whole milk, fat content 3% for better result. Heats and froths milk. Milk frother heats up to 240 milliliters, 8.1 ounces, milk for delicious lattes or flat whites. Also this foam maker froths 115 milliliters, 3.9 ounces, for luscious cappuccinos or macchiato. Durable and stylish design, high-quality stainless steel and non-stick coating interior for hygienic cleaning, and a long lifespan. Angled spout to minimize spillages. Quick and quiet operation, heats and prepares exquisite milk foam in less than 2 minutes. Milk steamer let you make a beautiful cafe-style coffee drinks arts. Safety features, our milk frother is equipped with strict temperature controls, is ETL listed, and automatically switches off when milk foam is ready. Note, the rated voltage is 120 volts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.